Hey there, thanks for stopping by Mother's Barbecue. On this video, we're firing up the Kamado Joe. We're going to be doing some Asian sticky ribs. So let's get going. So what I got here is some nice St. Louis style spare ribs. Trimmed them up, nice and simple, nothing fancy. Got a little brown sugar here. I'm going to add some Chinese 5-spice powder. This is just to give it a little bit more sweetness and a little bit of Asian flair to it. Our sauce that we're going to put on this is going to be, it's going to have some salt to it, so I don't want to add too much salt to this. I'm going to go ahead and just get this liberal coat. That's it, nice and simple. I'm not even going to coat the back. Let's go ahead and get these on the Kamado. All right, we got our Kamado Joe up 225. Got some apple wood in there, some mesquite charcoal. Excuse the background noise. Neighbors are doing some construction, but we're not going to let that stop us here. Go ahead and get these ribs on. We're going to go 3, maybe 4 hours on that. Let's go ahead and get our Asian sticky sauce going. So while our ribs are smoking, let's go ahead and make our Asian barbecue sauce. We're going to start out with some ketchup, some hoisin sauce, some soy sauce, some sugar, a little lemon juice, some honey, some chopped garlic, and some fresh chopped ginger. And that's it. Nice and simple. We're going to get this together and let this simmer on low or medium low just to get it to nice and thick. That's it. So here are spare ribs right off the Kamado Joe. These are about 2.5 hours, 3 hours. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and slice these right now, because what we're going to do is we're going to get these coated up with our barbecue sauce, and we're going to throw these right on the grill and get some good char in them. So if I can figure out how these bones are going. All right, let's go grill these up now. Kamado Joe, I removed the deflector, threw a little bit more lump on there. We got this thing cranked up to 450 degrees. We're gonna go ahead and get these on there. We're going to start hitting them with our barbecue sauce. And we're just looking to get a nice char in these. All right, so there we go. Asian sticky spare ribs. Kamado Joe Classic did an awesome job. Let's bite into these. All right, nice and charred, smells incredible. I get that Chinese 5-spice and our brown sugar Chinese 5-spice rub. That is pretty damn good. Definitely sticky. I probably got it all over somewhere here. Nice and tender, smoky, sweet, salty, everything I want in an Asian rib. This is incredible. This is gonna be messy. I'm sure I'm wearing it, but you guys got to give this recipe a try. Remember, hit that thumbs up. Please subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next run. Thanks for watching.